little movie of
Twister.
After 1 mile, turn left and then you will reach your destination.
Wow.
You have reached your destination.
So we are definitely going to try these places out. So if you ever come to Roswell, make sure you come to the museum first. Well, make sure you, wow. Make sure you go to the visitor center first and then check out the museum. Let's go.
In July 1947, a mysterious object crashed on a ranch about 75 miles northwest of Roswell, New Mexico. The rancher, Mac Brazel, discovered strange metallic fragments, rubber-like material scattered all across his property. He reported it to local authorities. Shortly after, the Roswell Army Airfield issued a press release claiming they had recovered a flying disc, sparking nationwide headlines and public excitement. However, the story soon took a puzzling turn. The military quickly retracted their initial statement, clarifying that the debris was actually from a weather balloon, not a flying saucer. This abrupt change fueled widespread suspicion that the government was covering up the truth.
Here we are in front of the big giant space alien from the day the Earth stood still. And we have our glasses on to protect us from being abducted.
With Denver and Annie missing, Tina and I took our investigation to the archives of the UFO Museum in Roswell. Surrounded by files, mysterious reports, and out-of-this-world theories, we began digging into cases of alien encounters. But specifically searching for any evidence that aliens might have fascinations with Dachshunds. Could it be their long bodies, short legs? Could be the perfect shape for intergalactic studies. Or maybe Denver and Annie's big personalities caught their attention and are curious. As we sifted through classified documents, alien autopsy reports, and examined eyewitness accounts, clues started pointing to something truly bizarre. Were the pups chosen for a special extraterrestrial mission? Or is there a deeper Dachshund alien connection that we never expected? We take our current findings and head to the streets.
We're gonna go to the spacewalk. We heard that's a really good place to go, so we're gonna check it out. Ooh. Sounds alien-like.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
All right. Come on in. All right. We are at a location, and we're gonna head into the here. All right, so here we go.
Probing probing station. That's quite scary
Yeah.
sounding.
I don't want to go there. Oh, look, we've got flying cows.
Scan complete. Proceed to probing station.
We've got their UFO down here.
On range. Follow the footprints.
Oh, here we go.
All students.
Follow the footprints. Whoa. Follow the footprints. Denver, Annie, where are you?
Nope, you're not them. Where are you guys? We're looking everywhere for you. Have you seen our Annie and Denver? We can't find them. Have you seen our Annie and Denver? We can't find them anywhere. Have you seen our Annie and Denver? We've been looking for them. Have you seen them? No?
I heard that growling and I thought that was our pups.
I know.
But it wasn't. It was that creature there.
Not finding Denver or Annie there, we head down the street to AlienZone. We had good information that they could be there.
I just have one question. Have you seen our pups, Annie and Denver? We're looking everywhere for them and we can't find them. Do you have any answers for me?
Go to the probing station. There you will get your answers.
Did you hear it?
Way to go, Tina.
I know. Denver and Annie? We've been looking everywhere for them and we can't find them. Have you seen them? Let's call on the phone. Hi, is this the police? We're looking for our dogs, Denver and Annie. We need some help finding them. Can you help us?
So how do you like your dogs? Because we know how we like our dogs. Back home.
Mm-hmm.
Give us our dogs back. We know you have them.
Do you know where Annie and Denver is? Have you seen them in here in the jail cell anywhere? We're looking for them. Nothing? You have nothing to say?
Go to the probing station. There you will get your answers.
Close encounter of the fourth kind? Oh no! Laser beam?
Whoa!
Yes.
So we are going to check out Hangar 209 in Roswell, New Mexico. It looks like a pretty cool shop. And it has lots of goodies.
Some cute stuff here.
Yeah, I like this.
Let's get one.
I'm gonna get Martian poop.
Let's get one.
All right, I'll get one.
Oops, get one.
All right, go ahead. Get two. What's the Martian soda? Or radioactive soda. Man, that looks good.
What are they?
Lots of additives.
Yeah, we don't have to drink it.
Oh, yeah, we have to drink it. Okay.
Okay.
So, we went into that little gift shop.
Yeah.
It's cold. And we got some drinks. What I was really interested in, and I will drink these with my glasses, is the alien poop.
Yeah.
I gotta drink some alien poop. I just got to.
Yeah.
Heading back to the truck.
It's like 20-some degrees.
Yeah, we just didn't want to lug our coats around with us. Right, we didn't want to lug our coats. Yeah. All right, we're gonna run to McDonald's, check that place out, and then we'll head back to the rig. See if the pups are back.
Yes.
We think we may find out who abducted them and where they might be. Okay, so we found the pups, and they were here at the museum. So we escaped them being abducted.
Right.
So if you're ever in the Roswell area, you got to stop in and check out all these sites. We'll put a link down below to all the places we visited.
Yeah.
And bring
Glad
your pup.
we found the pup.
All right, photo times.